The single area in trust and estate litigation that really gathers most of the national media attention are these cases involving what we refer to as undue influence. Typically, they involve an elderly individual that has passed away, and they've left millions, if not hundreds or millions, or even billions of dollars to third parties, to the detriment of other heirs that feel aggrieved. And undue influence is the legal cause of action or legal theory in which an individual claims that the person who created the will, called a testator or a female testatrix, or the person who created the trust, called the settlor, really has abandoned their free will and independent thought. And the perpetrator of the undue influence has substituted their will, their desire, upon the person executing the instrument. And therefore, what you have is really a type of fraud or coercion, which the law says, once proven, is enough to invalidate either the entire instrument or at least the portion that goes to the perpetrator. The key question is, for fact finders and for lawyers and for clients, is when does influence become undue? For instance, if I just merely say, Dad, I really would like all of your property when you die, and that's all I do, and assume Dad has the capacity, what we call testamentary capacity, he is cognitively able to process that, and Dad goes out and executes a trust or a will, and I get everything. I've influenced my father, but it wasn't undue. But if I change the facts, and Dad is susceptible to undue influence because he's in poor health, he's suffering from a neurological disorder like dementia, and I have the motive and the intent, and I repeatedly coerce him into executing a document, even though he has his own legal counsel, a jury may find that I've acted unduly and put undue influence upon him. But for my actions in coercing my father in this example, he would have not have left me everything. He would have left it to my siblings in equal shares. That's undue influence, and that's what the law says is impermissible.